sir. One doubt, sir.
Dear face, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we can start.
Yes, sir. Good evening, everyone. A very warm welcome to all the participants to today's session of our 2 weeks international hands-on workshop on generative AI tools for academic leaders and department heads. Today's session focuses on AI for presentations and content creation, exploring how generative AI can help us create professional, engaging, and effective digital content for academic and professional purposes. We will explore how AI tools can assist in developing professional presentations, infographics, educational videos, and digital learning materials. From generating ideas and structuring content to improving visual design and creating multimedia resources, AI can significantly simplify the content creation process while allowing educators and academic leaders to focus on the quality and purpose of their communication. For academic professionals, these tools can be particularly useful for lectures, conferences, workshops, training programs, institutional communication, and online learning. Today's hands on approach will demonstrate how AI can turn concepts and information into clear, visually engaging, and audience friendly content. At the same time, we will keep in mind the importance of accuracy, originality, copyright, responsible AI use, and human creativity when developing educational and professional materials with AI. I encourage everyone to actively participate in today's demonstrations and hands on activities. Experiment with the tools being introduced and think about how they can be incorporated into your own professional and teaching workflows. It is now my pleasure to welcome our esteemed mentor and speaker, Dr. Meher Chand, whose expertise in AI, machine learning, data science, and emerging generative AI applications brings valuable insights to today's session. With that, I warmly welcome Dr. Meher Chand and invite him to take over today's session. Over to you, sir.
Uh, okay, first of all, good evening, all of you. And today's some interesting tool which we are going to discuss. And all these highly you can use for teaching and learning and it directly impact in your classroom. Okay, so without any loss of time, and I'm going to share my screen. Here you can see this is my desktop. Okay, so today's session is entirely enjoyable. I can open my chatbot, uh, ChatGPT first. I am starting from ChatGPT. Yes, this is the ChatGPT, and in my ChatGPT there are many. You can see projects are there for different tasks I have maintained here, so that when we have yes, good evening, good evening. So according to our task, and whenever we need to assess the particular chat or the group where we have created the event and when things we are required to update. Okay, suppose that some content which you want to develop are specifically on the one particular subject. Okay, so first you are required to just you can see here the sign. Okay, so here you can see, and from this place we can create new project. Okay, still my ChatGPT is fully heavy, overloaded, and it may take some time. Okay, it can take some time. Just now I open my system. So one thing I have to do also along with it, I can refresh it. Okay, so sometimes the participant is unmuted. So just you are required to my activities. Uh, I restrict to unmute the mic. Okay.
Sir, you're muted.
Okay. So we can open Canva also. Okay. So this is Canva. Uh,
Sir, and the
if
screen is not visible.
I'm audible, my screen is visible.
No, not visible, sir. Screen.
No. Okay. Now it's fine.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, you can see this is my Canva. Okay. I am not using Canva free. I am using paid version. So here you can see various things are there. Just you can see this icon on the left hand side where my cursor is moving, Canva AI. Just when you will click on it, so this Canva AI will open. Okay. So here, what you will design today. Okay. So we can give the prompt to add space to create the image or to create a presentation. And along with we can have templates. We can go to the template. Choose here template for presentation. Mm, okay. So you can see this is a presentation, and here is Canva. Okay. So here you can generate presentation on introduction to bioinformatics. Okay, then click on it. So this is the outline which you can see here. Introduction, then what is bioinformatics, key tools and technique, applications, and after that also if you wanted to change or update anything, okay, so we can do. And then after we will click on generate presentation. So this will do everything itself automatically. We are not required to worry about this. Within few minutes, everything will be there. So in this way, by using Canva, also we can generate presentation. Yes, I will do. I will do. I will repeat once again. and the presentation which will be generated here is editable. Okay, if some information we need to update or modify according to our choice, we can do. So here this is presentation for only 5 pages, 5 slides are there. Okay, and when you want to present, just you can click on add this page, and you have very nice presentation, and you can see here what is bioinformatic. Okay, then you can see key tools and techniques which we can use. Okay, you can see the sequence alignment, genomic database, structural prediction, data analysis. Okay, then you can see the applications, future trend. So this is the PPT, and within few minutes we can easily generate. Okay, you can have any topic. So there are 2 or 3 different ways to generate the presentation. So here I just put only the top, only bioinformatic, introduction about bioinformatic, and by using only very small title. What I have done, once again, I'm going to repeat here. So what you will do, you will come to, you will open this window of Canva. Okay, and when you will click on the home, this page will open, and here if you want to generate a presentation, click on it. Okay, so when I will click on it, this slide will open. Now you can see on the left hand side, on the left hand side, here is Canva AI. You can see this icon where my cursor is moving. Okay, this is the icon, and then after you can put here any title. Okay, but this part is useful for those not useful for mathematicians. Okay, because in mathematics we have very lot of equations. So there is also the solution. Okay, how we can do. So just you are required to put here what you will do. Just write generate. Okay, 10 slides. You will mention the slides also. Previously, I did not mention how many slides I required. 10 slides on, then put the title. You can give the title uh, on artificial uh, neural networks. Okay, so you can put the title, and then this will automatically generate the content. Okay, according to the slides, we mentioned here 10 slides. Okay, then after, so these are the content outline you can see. Okay, and when the contents are ready, then after, yes, then after you are required to click on generate the presentation. Okay, and as soon as when you will click on it, this will generate 10 slides as we do here. Okay, so after the generation, generating the slide, you can, if you want to update anything, all the files you can see here are editable. Okay, we can edit everything, anything in the files. Okay, so this is the one way which you can use to generate the presentation. Secondly, I think I can open my chat GPT, whether it is working or not. Yes. So here, yeah, see, here is the plus sign. When you will click on it, here you create your project name. Okay. Suppose that I working on fractional calculus. So all the uh, activities which we will do here for fractional calculus. So when in near future I visit here, I am required to click on this project only. Okay, so this is calculus. Then click on it. So you can see my project on this topic has been created. This is the name. Okay, now I need to generate some presentation. Okay. See what I will do. This is the very first day about the fractional calculus. So in the very beginning, we need the introduction about to fractional calculus or any topic, whether you can have the uh, machine learning, you can have bioinformatics, any topic you can choose. Okay. So very interesting thing is I will write here, write about write introduction. I will write here introduction. Introduction on fractional calculus. Okay, so this is the one part. So this will write here introduction. Okay, you can see. Then you can say when we have some content. Okay, so you can ask write content for content for 10 slides of the presentation. Okay, enter. So these are the content for 10 slides of presentation. Okay, according to the slide. But here the problem is that these content, here are some mathematical equations are there. Okay, so if you will generate the presentation directly in Canva, so the equations will not be there. Okay, but we want that some equations which are there also will be inside our PPT. So the another way is what I will do, I will generate 10 slides in the form of images. Then after I will use them for PPT. And this is the one of the most best way. Okay. So usually, which I am using here, this is the way which I am using to create my content. Okay. And this is the one of the best example. Ultimate. So what you can do, just like we can have this first part. Okay. This is the introduction slide one. And I will copy all this and at this place, I will write here, generate how you can do. And if there is anything you want to add, you can also update your presentation. And this is the, again, I'm saying one of the best way. Generate, you will type the machine here size 16 by 9. Okay. So the PPTs and the presentation slide which we are using here are 16 by 9 ratio and all the desktop is the same. So this size we can use anywhere. Okay. Then after you are required to use the color theme. Okay. So the color theme which I am using is our color brand of the company. So that's why I'm not mention that I will use here red, uh, red and red tech. Okay. I'm using here red and tech. Then paste the content. Paste the content on, paste the content which we copy from the above. Okay. And see the magic now. See the magic. If there is any question, you can put your question in the chat box only because I restrict to unmute the mic due to sometimes our mic is unmuted and unnecessary voice created. Okay. can we use the template? Okay, for the template, we have other option. Okay, but there are many ways how you can create the content. But I let you know the very best way how you can use. See now this image. I save this file. This is based on fractional. Okay, fractional calculus 1. This is the way I am using, and see the image now. Okay. This is the one of the best example to use, and you can see the expressions, everything. And along with the tech, because I use here tech. So the technology you can see here, these signs which you can see, fractional integration sign is there, graphical way is also there. Okay, this is the main symbol, how we can differentiate. Okay, what is the meaning of the fraction calculus? So if you are going to teach the very first day, okay, so the from fractional calculus, from classical calculus to fractional calculus. Okay, so all the things, many things are there in one very first image. Okay, and when we are going to teach this very typical subject, make very easy and create interest in the student. Secondly, I will present only 2 slides, rest you can do yourself. Okay, see the next part. Now I'm using the second slide. Uh, Here is slide number 2. See the magic about this slide. Copy and paste here. Again, I'm using the same thing. Slash generate size 16 by 9. Okay. Then color theme. I use here red tech. So this will keep the theme of the all the slides unique. Okay, give the instruction. Then the topic and paste here, enter. See the magic, next magic. This will be very ultimate image. Okay. See, this is I will save, and this is the first one. This is the second two. Okay, this is the second one. FC2, and see the magic. Okay, the historical background, and you can see from G.W. Lamley's 1960, 16 to 95, 1695 to, and the you can see all the mathematicians and their contribution in a unique way. Okay, all this and their contribution. These are the name of the major contribution of the scientist, list of the names. Okay, all the details are there. This is the history to present how the fractional calculus was developed, and all the images according to the contribution of the great scientist you can see here. Okay, I did not mention, put the images of the scientist, and everything is there. Okay, you can do one more thing. You can do one more thing. Slash slash add add the contribution also. Contribution in the image, and then regenerate the file. So the main thing is how we are using the prompt and the shortcut keys, which uh, we discussed in the very beginning, and all type of the shortcuts I provide you. Okay, I don't know whether you are trying or not, but without using this will not be. Okay, you can see this will regenerate the image. This is the only practice how we are using. Yes, wonderful, wonderful. This is very wonderful. Okay. Yes, I want to replace. And now you can see. Okay, these are the contribution, key contribution of all the scientists. Okay, you can see here. And when this type of the content which we are presenting along with the scientist, their name, year, everything, history about all this along with the contribution are there. Okay, yes, we can add it, but this is the that is the another way by using ChatGPT and Canva, we can use together all together at the same time simultaneously. Okay, from ChatGPT to Canva, then we can do. But here, the image which you can see, I will not recommend it to add it because some parts, if you will use in Canva, then the problem is that the information as we can see at the page will not be there in Canva. Okay, if the same thing when you will use in the Canva, so all this information will not be there. Okay, Canva is not able to write this complex expression which you can see. Okay, this is the problem with Canva. So that this you will learn by using practice. Okay. Now one more thing I show you. Uh, okay. Yes. So if you want to convert slash generate A4 size. Okay. Generate A4 size. Enter. So this will generate the same above image in A4 size. See now, A4 size is coming. Yes. FC, but I will save this file with A4. See now, This is the A4, and yes, see from the top. Okay, this is slide 2, but size is A4. You can see the entire file. Okay, so you can convert in any size. You can convert in any size. So all the scientists having the contribution in fractional calculus, you can see here in the sequence. And this is the fractional order derivative, you can see. And here is the timeline of the key contribution. Okay, and here the fractional integration is there, graphically presentation you can see, and alpha lies between 0 to 1, everything for the introduction purpose we can use here. And fraction calculus is one of the very complex thing. Okay, only the researchers are studying this area. Now see one more thing here. Yes, we can change the color also. Okay, you can change the color. I use here red. You can use any other color, just like you can use black, you can use yellow. Okay, you can use light blue, whatever you like. You can change the color. Okay, so yes, we can change the color. Here, okay, just 1 minute. I has created the fractional calculus project. Okay, uh, where is it now? This must be, this is a chat box. Okay, here you can see this one. So now I will take a new chat. I am taking here new chat. This is the previous one. This is the new chat. Okay, one more thing which everyone can use. We are going to teach any new chapter. Okay, and the thing which I am going to present will be very awesome, and everyone can use, and all the information about that particular topic will be there. What I am doing here, slash generate cheat sheet. Cheat sheet. Okay, triple E note, this one. Generate cheat sheet on. I am using here box plot. Box plot. Okay. I made one mistake. I did not mention the size. Okay, no problem. This will be by default. This take any size. I don't know which one will be there, but I usually use A4 size. And see the magic of the cheat sheet. So everyone, all the faculty member from any subject, just you are required to put the name of the title which you are going to teach in the classroom. If you will use cheat sheet, and this will be the entire information about your topic. Okay, in a very interesting way. Use cheat sheet. So all the information in the single page will be there. Yes, you can see now. Okay, I would like to say this page as a box plot. Okay, box plot. I did not mention here about the color. So by default, you can see this color. So everything about the box plot, what is the box plot is defined here on the right top. Okay, and this is the image of the box plot. Then what are the component about the box plot? Okay, this is the first part, components of the box plot. Everything about this one image is there. Then how it is constructed. Okay, the way and interpretation, everything is there. And after that, you can see here And the third is summary static from the box plot, what we can get from this image, and highly useful if you anyone is working in just like data science or data analytic. Box plot is very useful. Okay, in the very single image you can see all this information are there, whatever we have the large data set, 10,000 to 50,000 to 1 lakh, 2 lakh, okay, very large data set, and we can present all the things in very simple way in single image. These are the outliers, this is the mini value, maximum value, Q1, Q2, Q3, all the things are there. Okay, and then here you can see the other interpretation, the guide, then you can see the examples of distribution. Okay, symmetric, right skewed, left skewed, when we have the data, how this will behave. So about only the single box plot, you can see all the information. Okay. Okay, so here examples of the code. This is the example how we can use data for by using the Python. Here is the ggplot by using R, and here is the quick tips. Okay, you can see only by using single statement we have all the information. I want to show one more example. See, if slash generate generate cheat sheet on bioinformatic, bioinformatic. See the magic. And color we can use here. I am going to use here blue tech. This is our my color brand. Okay, so don't copy this color brand, but I give the example by using this one. Blue tech is because all the content which I am creating, I use only this blue tech. This is my our brand color. So by default, these are generated in A4 size. Okay, if you want to customize, just like if you want to present all these content which are in A4 size of the cheat sheet, you can convert in PPT format by using the format is by using the ratio 16 by 9. Okay, so the same information will be converted into the slide format. You can use any format here. Okay, you have to give the instruction, but by default this is A4 size. So at the place of bioinformatic, you can use any name. Okay, yes, you can see this is very interesting image. We can see this is second one. Okay, 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 I use it to see now. Okay, so what is bioinformatic? You can see computer science, static mathematics, biology. Combining these two, we have the bioinformatic. Then types of the biological data, okay, with examples, data type, description, examples are there. Okay, common bioinformatic task you can see here. In the single file, all the information you can find here, imported in database, from where we can get the links of the website are also there, focuses are also there, you can see. Okay, then the sequence analysis, how we can use, then common bioinformatic tools which are required to use. Okay, and here the typical bioinformatic process visual visualization examples, some examples are there. Okay, so all the information about bioinformatics which you need to present, you can see in the single page about what is bioinformatics and what we need to do. All the information in the single page. Okay, so if anyone anyone who is studying about this subject, okay, so in the very beginning, a new one have some challenges because many things we have to keep in mind. All the things which you can see are in the single page. So single page to carry and to recapitulate all the information about this area is quite easy. Okay, if we put this sheet on the table, okay, so if we forget anything, so this will help us. Okay, you can see all the tools are there. So this is the use of a cheat sheet, and anyone from any area on any subject, any topic, we can generate. Just we are required to put the name or title. Okay. If you want to resize, we can do. Then if there is one more another way, slash right introduction on bioinformatics. Okay. So this is the complete information you can see. Then slash right 10 slides content. So these are the 10 slides content you can see. Okay. There will be 10 slides. Okay. Now I will give the one more instruction here. Generate uh, presentation and enter. So here you can see it is calling Canva. Okay. And asking select a design. So first one I select here. Then I will, if you want to review the preview outline, you can select. Okay, you can have the other options also. Then I click on generate. See the magic now. Dr. Deepika Chaudhary, can we use generate video using this kind of the prompt? Okay. So actually the prompt is that only we are not trying to use all these which we can easily use. Okay, so if for you want to use for teaching purpose, uh, according to my opinion, okay, ChatGPT is enough. If you want to integrate some other tools also, so for the presentation you can use ChatGPT with Canva. Okay, Canva and ChatGPT both are enough. Okay, so here you can see slides are there. Then we can click on it, edit in Canva. So we will switch to Canva. Now this file will open in Canva, you can see. Okay, so here all the slides which are generated here. First this is the presentation mode. Okay, this is the presentation mode. So here you can see everything. So some information, if you are required to update, you are required to modify, you can do. Okay, so this is also one of the good example. Okay, so sometimes if the text are not or you want to change, we can do. If you are required to add some your own images, you can update everything. Okay, so just like in the very beginning, here presented by and date. Okay, so this is note, and also on the top you can see the logo. So all this type of the information, if you are required, we can do easily edit everything. So all these things are editable. I put here my name. This is my name. Okay. You can change the data also if it is required. Everything is editable, just like this logo and this logo. Okay, you can put your university logo here. Then you can put the name of the university institute. So everything which you can see are editable. Okay, from here also, suppose these are some overlapping. So what you will do, you can increase and decrease the font size. Everything is editable. Okay, so this information is not associated with your institute. You can modify. Okay, all the images which you can see here, you can update, you can modify according to your choice. Okay, so within a few seconds, you can see a very nice presentation is there. Okay, including the content and the images. Okay, are there. You can see. So this is like just like you can see these are overlapping. So you can, and also if you think that you are required, you need to increase the font size, you can do. Okay, you can change the font style also. Okay, so this is the way how you can generate the presentation. So several ways I told you, let you know. So if you are using this type of the images, just like we create here, this one, okay, this image. So what you will do, you can import this image in Canva. Okay, I am using ChatGPT and Canva both to generate to write my all type of the content which I present in the past. Okay, so I got many queries from many participants and asking, sir, please let us know how you are getting this type of the presentation. So this is the example how I am using. Okay, and everyone today after you can try all these examples and you can create you can be master over all these things. So here if you need to generate a presentation, so yes, so just you will open and how the images which we create by using ChatGPT, you can come to here upload. Okay, upload the file here. You can see all this content which I presented yesterday. Okay, so these are the content, and you can easily upload from this side. This is the F1. Okay, this is the F1. You can just you are required to click on the images after uploading here, and then this will be complete fit on this size. Perfect. Okay, now upload the second one. This is the second one. Okay, open and click on it. This is the perfect way. Okay, so all the slides which you are creating in the form of image, you can see now in the presentation format, one thing is missing. Someone is saying that our affiliation, etc., is missing. So what you will do? You will generate thumbnail. Okay, you will generate thumbnail. How you can do? See now. I come back on the same page. Okay, I write here slash generate thumbnail. Okay, then size 16 by 9, red tech. Okay, then title on introduction to fractional calculus. Okay, fractional calculus. Then name of the speaker or the teacher. I put here my name, mentor. My name is Meher Chand. Okay. And if you are required to add here affiliation, you can do here after comma, department, etc. What you need, you can do here. Okay. Oh, sorry. Some part is missing. Okay, no problem. So this will generate the thumbnail. Okay. So other information is like affiliation or the subtitle, or if you need to add the logo. So just you can see this plus sign. Okay, you can add at this place, and everything which you need will be there in the thumbnail. Okay, so if sometimes you are required to you see the thumbnail of all my video lectures which are available on the YouTube with the thumbnail, I use this pattern. Okay, and you can see my image is also there. So this is the thumbnail of the introduction. This is the thumbnail. You can use the term thumbnail or introduction. Okay, both are same thing. Thumbnail. So we can add here thumbnail also. Okay, this one. So you can take here and you can shift here on the very first. Okay, and here. This is the first page. Okay, then upload thumbnail. Okay, so actually the problem was by default I press the key enter. Okay, I want to add some more information about me, just like my name or my affiliation. If I need to upload my image, by default you can see this circle. Okay, so this is the title page. This is the thumbnail, very interactive. Okay, so is I put the information according to that, you can see introduction to, this is the main key, fractional calculus. Okay, from classical calculus to fractional. So other things for the introductory page. Okay, if you want to add in the background image of your institute, we can add that image also. Okay, so anything which you want to upload, you want to present on the first title page, you can add, and you can modify accordingly also. What do you think? According to that, you give the instruction, and this will do everything. Update will be there. Okay, so this is very simple to use. I think how you can create the cheat sheet, very important. How you can create the image on any topic is again very important. You can generate all type of the images by using only ChatGPT. Okay, and sometimes Gemini AI not work accordingly what we need perfectly. For video, it's okay, but I always use this ChatGPT as compared to Gemini, but sometimes when I try to use Gemini AI, so Gemini AI did not work according to my requirement. Okay, it may be I did not give the right prompt, and also I did not spend more time on using Gemini AI because this is I have ChatGPT paid version I have. So most of the tasks which I need, I am using this one. Second one is infographic. Okay, infographic is also very useful, and sometimes uh, just like you can see, we can generate the infographic by using ChatGPT also. Okay, just like you can write here, generate, generate infographic. See what happened. Infographic on ML, ML or ANN. ANN means artificial neural network. Okay. See what this will generate. Infographic. And along with we have napkin. Napkin is also one of the good tool. Napkin. Okay, napkin.ai. This is also very useful to generate all type of the you can say infographic, and various ways are there you can see on the very title page. So if I will log in here, actually many things I generate by using this one, and now it is paid for me. Okay, but I still show you some example. Just like you can see the major area of the bioinformatics, these are the text. Okay, from this place, just you need to click on it, and you can have this one visual or slide. You can click on the visual. Okay, then after that, a blank napkin. You can start from this place, or if you have you want to start by using by pasting, so you will click on it. Okay, and you can paste your content. So when you will paste your content, you will come to this page. You can see these content are the major areas of the bioinformatics. These are generated by using ChatGPT. Okay, then after I come here, so what you can do, just like if you are presenting this content like in this way, but if you will click on it, so this will generate infographic. So you can use this one, you can use this style, you can use this style. Okay, so many styles are there. Okay, so see now. Okay, just you are required to select which is pattern or which style is useful for you. Okay, so just like you can see this one, and here also mind map. These are the mind map. Okay, so you can use mind map according to your interest, your choice, which pattern is useful. Just like you will click on this. So any which you like, various ways are there. Okay, many options are there according to your choice. You can select them. Okay, so here, suppose I like this pattern or this pattern. I will click on it. Okay, and after that, when you will click here, also we have various colors are there. Okay, many options you can have. So according to your choice, you can select any one of them. I select suppose this one. Then after you can see if you are required to update, you need to increase the size, font size, or you want to change the color, you can change the color also. You can see here options are there, size of the text also options are there. So you can change the colors also. Okay, so if you want to export, you will click here, and mostly you can see napkin logo off. So for off, we have to upgrade. Okay, a trial version is also there, but I am using this napkin. I think long period, uh, about to 1 year is there. Okay, so that's why it is asking about to upgrade, but you can start a free version. Okay, sometimes many things this will generate free for you. Okay, so here it is asking to generate. So you can remove the logo as well as you can remove the background. Okay, just like background is off, and when I will download this pattern, and this will be JPG image. Okay, so you can see this is the image. So when I will use this image in my Canva, okay, see, I want to use this image in my Canva. Uh, See here I am using. Okay, I upload the image in Canva. Okay, see. So there is no background. There is no background in this image. You can see, or you can increase some more size. Okay. So the problem is that if you have different color of the background, I want to change the background. If you can see, suppose that I have this color, I have this color, I have this color. Okay. So if you have this color, no, this one, no. Okay. So if you are using any other dark color, yes, you can use this color. So according to your slide, your choice, you can use any color. So the image which we are using here will fit for any color. So according to your choice, you can use any color. It's like you can see this one. Okay. So background color can we have anyone? Can this graphic be exported to our paper directly or need to rewrite by hand? You can see actually the infographic. Yes, if you have your own content, okay, and you want to present in the form of infographic, you can take help. Okay, you can use any pattern so that this can be easily we can present our thought or our what you want to present by using this type of infographic. So infographic for the infographic, this is the one of the best tool. Okay, so there are various options are there to generate various type of what can then be the source. Yes, you can download and you can use directly. If you want to use this type of the images in your paper, then you have to use background color also. Okay, so see here, if I am downloading here, so what I have to do, if you will do off now, and if you want to change the background color, we can have the option also. Okay, to change the background color, uh, resolution is also there. Okay, and background color option is not there. Okay, so we can download now. So this is the image which you can use directly anywhere in your document, whether it is a Word document file or whether you have a LaTeX you are using. So anywhere you can use this one. Okay. So various options are there to generate your thought in a mind mapping or infographic. So all the content you can see if you want to use this one. Okay. Just you are required. Where is this sign? This will automatically generate. Now you can see the next image is generating here. Okay. So here we have many options are there. Which one is fit for you? So I can use this one. Okay. So the colors are there. So all these will change accordingly and you can use them. Okay. So now come back here, ChatGPT. Yes. Oh, ANN. ANN. See the magic about artificial neural network. If you want to understand what is artificial neural network, only this slide, only this page is enough to understand about everything. What is artificial neural network? Definition is there, basic uh, you can say the model is there, how this will work. These are the input, these are the weights are bias is there, this is the summation function, this is the activation function, this is the output. Okay, and these are the examples of the activation functions which we are required to use. Okay, and this is the architecture about the artificial neural network. These are the hidden layers, and these are the input layer, these are the hidden layer, and these are the output layers, which we can see the target values. And what are the key features? And these are types of the learning: supervised, unsupervised reinforcement. Okay, and then you can see this is the complete learning process, which is the training program, and this is the flow diagram, and these are the applications where you can use. Okay, and here CNN, RNN, GRU, LSTM, and remember case. So only to deliver the content by using only this page is enough to clear the concept about what is artificial neural network and how this is working in real life, and how we are developing the techniques by using artificial neural network, and there are huge applications everywhere we can see. So only this page, okay, I use only to create this file. What I use only this term. See, actually the prompt is only yeah, I use only this slash generate infographic on ANN, and you can see the all the information, all the information. Okay, so this is the use of this tool, and we should integrate. Then we can have, is there any question related to ChatGPT and Canva and Napkin? So these three tools I may expand here. And there is one more interesting tool, AI PPT, AIPPT.com. Okay, this is also very good tool. And yes, so if say I have to log in first. Okay, I think this will ask it to me to update, because I tried many times and many experiment I have done by using this AI PPT. Okay, so yes, okay, what I do, I classic flow. Okay, so here describe your topic. My topic is uh, introduction to machine learning. Okay, then here are some options. Okay, I'm using light. Okay, then also actually the other option which you can see, ultra, standard, this will be applicable if you have upgraded version. Okay, so I'm using light version. See the magic of this also. Very simple to use. Very simple. Just I put only the introduction to machine learning. You can write anything. Okay. So here many options are there. Many options are there. Okay. So how many slides you like? So I like only up to 5 slides. Okay. Uh, Submit. Some questions are unanswered. Okay. No problem, because I want to demonstrate only. I think this will not work. Why? Beginner. Okay. What tone? Professional. And then, okay. Mission is in progress. Yes. Some update has been done in this AI PPT. Previously, all these things was not there. Recently, they have updated something. So, yes. So it is in the progress. So it is searching what is the machine learning example explanation beginner, and searching how machine learning works with training data model step, and search the complete 5 keywords. Okay. So this will do accordingly what we selected in the above. Let me analyze the material and plan the outline structure. Okay, you can do. Many things they update. Actually, I since last 6 months I did not use this AI PPT. Okay, and within this during 6 months, many things has been updated. More intelligent. This tool. So what you will select, what you will put, what you will give the instruction with the options which are available. According to that, this will work. Okay. So if you have upgrade version, really this will be very sportive. So this will generate the content completely after analyzing. Okay, so you can see this is the first part. These are the outline. Okay, and the definitions are there. And on the right hand side, we can see it's a preview. You can see preview is there coming up. One is gamma. Gamma PPT is also there. You can try gamma. Okay. Uh, yes, the same from it's asking about the upgrade. Okay. I was worried about this one to upgrade. Okay, so the thing is that everything is going there, but to continue, I have to pay the money. Yeah, it's asking about upgrade because uh, um, this account is created about 1 year ago. Okay, that's why this is a very long time. So we have to upgrade only then we have the output. But this is the one of the best tool also if you want to generate the PPTs within very less time. Just only the topic is required. You can try this one. Okay, this is the way how you can use. So very during within very less time, within 1 minute, we can generate the PPT by using this tool. Okay, the name is AIPPT.com. AI PPT. Okay, you can try this one. But I think the trial version is over in my account. That's why they are asking to continue and update. Okay, upgrade. So without upgrade, this will not work. And if I want to upgrade, then it's asking very less amount. You can see 112 only, and monthly 722. Okay, so yearly is fine. And for lifetime, you need to spend only about 5,000 approximately. If you need pro, then you are required to spend for lifetime. Okay, monthly you have to pay this cost. And for pro, you are required to pay this cost. So these are and you can see many options are there. What are the features in pro? Okay, so in the free version, we have very less options are there. But when you will use pro version and cost is very less, you can see for the year. So 112 rupee is required per month. Very less amount. Okay, so you can use this tool and very cheap this tool. So dear participant, this is all about the today's session and whatever you were asking, I tried to cover everything. Okay, so many things are there which we can do. And now you are permitted to you unmute your mic and also how you can do. Yes, any question from your side, please?
Sir, you have told that we will explain about how to check plagiarism tools
Uh,
and how to arrange our references. That
yes. Oh, we will try coming session by tomorrow. Otherwise, there is one more activity is going to start specifically for the researchers. Okay, but there are so many tools are there, and this part is missing. You are right. Uh, coming session by tomorrow. I will try to cover this part. Okay. Otherwise, I thought that today I will complete all these things. Okay. And in the coming session on the last day, there will be only the validatory, and I want to listen from your side all the feedback spoken. Okay. Uh, and there will be some addresses, but we have about 1.5 hours. Uh, I will try. I will try, but I will not do promise. Okay. So this is sorry for that. I was not able to cover this part for the Prism. So there are many tools which we can integrate. We can use them for our scientific research, for generating the content, and the today's session specifically for uh, class teaching. Okay, I hope you will upload the yes, recordings of all the sessions are there. The recording of the today session, I have prepared the complete list. Okay, and also today I will share with you one video. You must see this video to download your certificate of participation. Okay, so that and if you need to check your profile because I saw that there are one or two participant whose name is not there. There is a user. Okay, they do not update the profile or they did not put their name when they create the account. So there is only the user. So I request to all the participants just you are required to log in your account to upgrade your profile. So all the content which we present during the 2 week workshop will be uploaded there according to day wise. And in the coming session last day, I will let you know how you can access all this content from after login your account. Also, this will be available forever, and your certificate also will be generated from your account also. Okay, and for that purpose, I will share with you one video how you will download your certificate without any error. You must go through this video. Only 2 minutes video is there, and also you can any institute if you want to create want to use this platform for all type of the activities, all the reports will be there, can be maintained for 5 year 6 year 10 year whatever. Okay, so we create this platform so that we can manage everything and we can generate which we need. Okay, suppose that if we want to organize any FDP or workshop, the team is required. But in academia,
beta.
very it is. Nita Pandey, please unmute, mute your mic. Yes. So this platform is also very highly useful. So some part we will demonstrate here. For the Prism, I can do one thing. I will record the lecture and for the Prism, and I will share with you. Okay. If any part which you think that you need, we have the option. Option is that I can record the entire lecture. Okay. And during these 2 weeks, you do not ask the question. So there will be also no chance to ask the question. Okay. Very less questions are from your side. Okay. Just you need only the idea how we can use it. Okay. So this is all about the today's session. And now it is time to going to start our quiz test. Okay. So I'm going to share the link in your chat box and you will start. Okay, there will be only 2 minutes to open the link. After that, I will close this platform. Okay, so everyone, you must start your quiz. Okay, just give me 1 minute. Uh, okay, I am sharing. the quiz link with you. Yes. Ragib will share one file with me. Okay, what you will do? You will upload this file in the ChatGPT and ask to generate image of this content. Okay, first ask the ChatGPT to read the file, then ask to generate image on this content. Okay, so this will generate accordingly, and that will be very beautiful, awesome. So just this is the time to share the link of the quiz. Okay, time is going to start, and there will be only 1 hour. So during this 1 hour, you will submit. Okay. Yes, you can see now the link is available in the chat box. Okay, also I am sharing the same link in the WhatsApp group also. Okay, so tomorrow is last day of this workshop, and I invite to all the participants to join validatory, and all the information will be there. Okay, so I hope all the participants which are present right now, 72 participants are there, but the participant who are registered for this activity is 119. Okay, got it? Okay, you got the link in the WhatsApp chat box. Also, I am sharing the link in WhatsApp group. Okay, so access the link from chat there, and
Sir, it's saying not able to open the link.
okay, just 1 minute, but it
Not
is opening.
working, sir.
Okay, this is the preview version. Just 1 minute. Please check now. Please check now. Is it working?
Yes, it's working now.
Working? Okay. So I request to all the participants, you have 1 hour to complete this quiz. Okay. And submit it before 1 hour. And the same link also is available on your WhatsApp group. So I have shared the link in the WhatsApp group also. So I request to all the participants, please complete as soon as possible. Okay. So the link is open now, and you can do. The time has been started, and now I am going to close the meeting. If you need the link, you can find in the WhatsApp group also.
I couldn't access the link.
Yes, you can find it in the WhatsApp group also.
Okay.
Link of test. I shared in the WhatsApp group. You can find there. So the link is available in chat box as well as on WhatsApp group. Thank you and good night.